Hello everyone, this is Sophia from English with Sophia. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Get ready to learn English in a fun way. Let's begin. Sophia's Day, a journey of learning and inspiration. Sophia, a university student studying English teaching, wakes up to a new day filled with possibilities. She loves her mornings, starting each day with a motivational video for her YouTube channel, English with Sophia. Hello, lovely people. It's a bright new day to learn English. Join me on English with Sophia as we explore fun and easy ways to improve our English. Don't forget to subscribe. Sophia greets her viewers with a smile. In her cozy apartment near the university, Sophia prepares for her day. She makes a healthy breakfast while listening to English podcasts, always looking for ways to improve her language skills and find new ideas for her channel. Today, I'll be sharing a podcast review on my channel. Stay tuned and let's learn together, she tells her audience in a quick video. At the university, Sophia's first class is English literature. They're studying Shakespeare, which Sophia finds challenging but exciting. She loves how old texts can still be relevant and tries to convey this in her videos. In today's video, I'll demystify Shakespeare's language. Join me on English with Sophia to make learning fun and accessible, she announces to her classmates. Between classes, Sophia works on her channel at the university library. She researches, writes scripts, and plans her content meticulously. Her dedication is evident in the quality of her videos. Lunchtime is quiz time on English with Sophia. Check out today's fun quiz and test your English skills. And if you haven't already, subscribe to join our learning community, she posts during her lunch break. After lunch, Sophia attends a language teaching seminar. She's passionate about teaching methods and always seeks new techniques to make learning more effective and enjoyable. This afternoon, I'll share some innovative teaching methods on my channel. Learning English can be an adventure, and I'm here to guide you, she shares in a quick update. Post-seminar, Sophia joins a study group. They discuss their coursework and share learning tips. Sophia's enthusiasm for English is infectious, and she often finds herself explaining complex concepts in simpler terms, much like she does on her channel. Group study can be a powerful tool. Join me later on English with Sophia, where I'll share tips on effective group learning. And remember, your support on YouTube makes a big difference, she tells her study group. In the evening, Sophia tutors a high school student in English. Tutoring helps her apply her learning and understand the challenges English learners face. This experience directly influences the content she creates for her channel. Teaching is learning twice. Tonight, I'll share insights from my tutoring session. Don't miss it on English with Sophia, and please support the channel by liking and sharing the videos, she reminds her tutee. After tutoring, Sophia returns home. She spends the evening editing and uploading her videos. Her dedication is unwavering, and she feels a deep sense of fulfillment from helping others. Before going to bed, Sophia checks her channel one last time. She reads the comments and messages from her followers. Their progress and gratitude motivate her to keep going. Thank you all for being part of English with Sophia. Your journey is my journey. Together, we'll make English learning easy and fun. Good night and see you in the next video, she posts, ending her day on a positive note. Sophia's days are a blend of learning, teaching, and sharing. Her passion for English and education shines through her YouTube channel, inspiring and assisting a growing community of English learners.